Check out this 2018 GMC Yukon XL SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: Premium Edition, Open Road Package, Premium Smooth Ride Suspension Package, 9 speakers, Bose Premium 9-speaker system, MP3 decoder, Premium Audio System, IntelliLink, SiriusXM Satellite Radio, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.